update on the officer-involved shooting that we had on Tuesday. Before I get going, I just want to say a couple things. You know, it's been a tough month for us. We've had quite a few officer-involved shootings over this past month, and every one of those, you know, it's involved somebody or a suspect, you know, trying to harm us or harm our officers. And in this instance, you know, our officers actually got shot. Two of our officers got shot. One received critical injuries. The other received some injuries to his belt, you know. And despite that, you know, our workforce is out there day in, day out, serving you in this community the way you expect us to. And I'd like to take this time to really give them all, you know, a thank you from the administration and from the sheriff, that we really appreciate the job they do and what they do day in, day out, because sometimes it's pretty thankless, and it's not a lot of people that can do it. So with that, I'll get going with the press conference. So this is OIS number 15, fatal number 7 for this year. At the same time last year, we were at OIS number 6, fatal number 2. The date and time of this call was August 1st, 2017 at 2:15 p.m. and it was a suspicious vehicle was the type of call. Location was at 4185 West Tompkins Avenue. You can see that scene on my left. The time of the OIS, shots fired, were approximately 4:15 p.m. The involved officer is Officer Richard Nelson. He's 34 years old. He's been with LVMPD for 8 years. He's assigned to the Community Policing Division, the Enterprise Area Command. In this instance, Officer Nelson was armed with a 6-hour P226 .40 caliber handgun equipped with a tactical light. The investigation revealed that Officer Nelson fired 10 rounds from his handgun during this incident. Officer Nelson was wearing his body-worn camera during this incident, and it was activated. We will show you that video at the conclusion of my remarks. The suspect in this incident was a Miguel Salas. He's 25 years old. He's a Hispanic male adult, 5'11", 190 pounds. Salas is pictured to my left. His criminal history, he was a convicted person. He's got numerous charges in the state of Nevada. His weapons that he used during this incident, he was armed with a Glock 23 .40 caliber handgun. It was not reported stolen. The investigation revealed that Salas fired 9 rounds during this incident. He was also in possession of a second firearm inside the truck. That's also pictured here to my left. It was a Sterling Arms .25 caliber handgun. It was also not reported stolen. It was loaded with 7 rounds in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. The suspect's vehicle, which is also pictured here on my left, it's a charcoal gray Chevrolet Silverado truck. It had been reported stolen in our jurisdiction on June 11th, 2017. It also had license plates that were on it that were also stolen from another vehicle. On Tuesday.
On you, guns, knives, drugs, anything like that? No? Okay. Why don't you step up?
Why do you want me to step out?
What's that?
Why do you want me to step out?
Why? Because we're trying to figure out what's going on while you're sleeping here and stuff like that, and we're getting calls on you. Okay, well, I'm just asking you to step out, man.
I don't understand though, like, really, like, why?
Why? Because I'm going to do my business over here. I don't like doing it over here. You've been fiddling around everywhere. You don't know where your ID's at and stuff like that, so I want to do it. Don't be fiddling around.
I know where it's at.
Well, I'm telling you, don't be looking around.
I'm just looking. Okay, we don't want you to dig around. That's why we're pulling you out of the car. Dude,
just get out of the car. Just get out of the car.
Come on. Like, come on, dude. Like, really? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Why am I...
We never said anything you were doing anything wrong. We wanted to do you stuff out here. We wanted...
Why? Like, why? Why can't you just tuck me right here? Why can't you just tuck me out here? Like, what the hell? Why don't I get pulled out of my car?
Because we don't know what's in here. We're going to ask you to come over here.
You guys asked me for my ID. I got stuff everywhere. Look, I got stuff all over the ground. I got stuff everywhere. Come on, dude. Dude, really? Come on, dude. Like, why are you gonna do that?
Just relax, dude.
Dude, why are you gonna do that?
Just relax. Just come outside.
Come on, man. Like, step to the front of the car. I'm not doing anything bad.
Okay, then let's go over here and everything will be good. Everything checks out. All right?
Why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I
Do you know this
We
guy?
want to positively identify you. So
We want to just come out here and talk to us. All right? It's not a big deal.
Your wall. We don't want you digging around. We're gonna ID you over here.
No, not right now. Right now, in a little bit.
I swear to God, it's right here. I have my wallet. I have my. Just step out of the car. Why won't you step out of the car?
Promotion patch.
I'm just saying. It's right here. Look.
Stop going in places.
Look. Step out of the car, man. Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude? Because it's safer for us. We want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man. Dude, why?
Dude, relax.
I'm not doing nothing.
Yes,
bad.
you are. You're not listening to our command. Do you want to get tased?
No, I don't want to get tased.
Okay, then come out.
Open the door and
just
step in front of our car, man.
Oh, because the door's all broken, look.
Okay, just open the door.
Well, come out. Can we get another unit? Subject to freezing. Shots fired have been hit! Shots fired have been hit!
Shots fired.
Acknowledge, units over the channel, 3 stands 22, 4185 West Thompson.
Expedite medical, I've been hit!
Acknowledge, expediting.
Major cross.
Tompkins, east of Arville.
East of. Air 2 4185 West Tompkins. It'll be Tompkins to win. Officer's hit.
I don't know. I've been hit. Sam 22. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
I've been hit on the side. I need to go to the hospital. I'm hit.
Okay, get inside.
I opened the door. Oh fuck, dude, I'm hit on the side.
Where's he at? Where's Dan?
Dan's in front of the car.
Okay, where's our bad guy?
I'm having trouble breathing.
Where's our bad guy?
He's in the truck.
Okay, you still in there? I got you, brother. You're good. You're okay, man.
As you see, there's the weapon in his hand. You can see he's pointing at already discharging rounds at Officer Nelson's partner. A couple more rounds at the same time. Officer Nelson starts to return fire. Then the suspect starts firing at Officer Nelson. And right about this point, or right before here, is where we believe that Officer Nelson's partner would have taken a round, probably just before this, maybe a couple frames back. So we're going to start the body camera footage from Officer Nelson's partner.
Just relax, man.
Relax, just come outside. Come on, man.
Just step to the front of the car, man.
Anything.
Okay.
Bad.
We never
Let's
said you
go over
were.
here and everything will be good. All I see checked out, all right? No. Like, why? I'm not doing anything bad. I mean, come on. Look, I mean, I know this guy.
We want to positively identify you, so we want.
Just come out here and talk to me. All right?
Since you can't find your wallet, we don't want you digging around. We're gonna ID you over here.
Look, no, not right now. Right now. I swear to God, it's right here. How am I?
Just step out of the car. Why won't you step out of the car?
I'm just saying, it's right here. Look. Stop going in places. Look.
Step out of the car, man.
Dude, why are you guys trying to get me out of my car, dude?
Because it's safer for us. We want you out of the car. Hey, stay over there, man.
Dude, why?
Just relax.
I'm not doing nothing
Yes,
bad.
you are. You're not listening to our command.
Do you want to get tased? No, I don't want to get to.
Okay, then just open the door and just step in front of our car, man.
Because the door's all broken, look.
Okay, just open the door, man.
Come out.
Shut up!
Patrol 3 Sam 22, shots fired.
Acknowledged. All units over the channel 3 Sam 22 at 4185 West Pumpkin. Acknowledged. Expediting. Major cross.
Tompkins, Arville. East of.
Patrol on channel.
Air 2 4185 West Pumpkin.
Where's he at? He's hit?
Tompkins and West. Officers hit.
My partner or the gun suspect? Get away! Get cover! Get away!
Compact 7 ready.
Sam 42. Hey, are you hit?
I don't think so.
That's the one. I can be on the side.
Get inside the business! Get inside the business!
So it wasn't until later till Officer Nelson's partner realized that he had been hit. Hours later, as you can see, there's some damage to where the round entered from the rear, went through and entered into the front of his gear. Real lucky. Okay, so now we have some third-party video. I think most of you may have already seen this since some of that was released in the media, but we're going to go ahead and show it again today. So.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, guys, that's scary. I've never ever in my fucking life witnessed this. This is so scary, bro. What the fuck? Where'd the other cop go? No, over there.